Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should just open the first thing. You can just use the pen here, or if you want you can use your fingers. That doesn't matter. For me it's more easy to use this pen. So just first you should open the notification panel, and then here you'll see on the left upper corner of your notification panel, you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just to turn on the Wi-Fi, tap once on the switcher on this icon, and as can you see the icon is blue, so that means that your Wi-Fi is turned on. And then you'll see the Wi-Fi all available Wi-Fi networks that you can just use, and you can just select one from this network, and that's it. And if you want to just turn off your Wi-Fi, tap here again on the switcher, and that's really simple, as can you see. And also we got the second way how we can do that. You just should go into the settings, and here you'll see the connection section. Tap there once on the switcher, Wi-Fi switcher, to turn it on, and here you will see all the available networks. In my case I'll go with the first one, and here you just should enter the password. And then here, if you just want to see the password to have no mistake, you can here tap once on the eye icon and just tap here to connect. And as can you see, our device successfully connected to this network. And also we can make it by the same way. If you want to also choose another network, just you can forget this network, tap here to forget to the trash icon, and by the same way select another one. And if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi, tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.